Indian Constitution, he was the chairman of drafting committee. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the India. He is commonly known as Chacha Nehru. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, fondly called the Iron Man of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India. He is President over the Constituent Assembly. Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Education Minister of the India. Let us now take a journey back in time and witness their memorable efforts.
इसने ब्लूटूथ ऑन किया अपना?
Scene 1. The Constituent Assembly Hall, New Delhi, 9 December 1946. The room is filled with delegates from various parts of India gathered to create a new constitution for a free India.
It is the year 1946. India will become free from centuries of colonial rule. But with independence comes the task of building a nation, shaping a new government that reflects the dreams and aspirations of over 300 million people. This is the story of how India's constitution came into being.
Friends, today we embark on an important journey. The freedom we fought for is ours, but a nation cannot survive without a strong framework. We need a constitution that will unite our diverse land, protect the rights of every citizen, and lead us toward progress. Unity is our strength, but we must also ensure that every citizen, regardless of caste, region, or religion, feels a sense of belonging in this new India. This constitution must be a reflection of all our dreams. Indeed, it is not just about laws and rules. It is about justice, equality, and dignity for every Indian. We must remember the women, the marginalized, and the oppressed. They must have their rightful place in this new India.
We come from different backgrounds and different faiths, but the India we are building must be one where every voice is heard. Secularism, tolerance, and harmony must be heart of our constitution. Indeed, while we celebrate our diversity, we must also lay down a foundation that ensures justice for all, especially for those who have been historically oppressed. The idea of social equality must be enshrined in this constitution. We must proceed with caution and wisdom. The task was monumental. The constitution we wrote will be the foundation for generations to come. It will stand as a testament to the values of justice, democracy, and liberty.
The task of drafting India's constitution was not easy. It took almost 2 years, 11 months and 17 days of deliberations, discussions and debates. The members of the Constituent Assembly worked tirelessly, often in the face of challenges and differences, but with the shared goal of building a democratic nation.
Scene 2. The Constituent Assembly Hall, New Delhi, 26 November 1949. The constitution we are creating must serve the people. It must secure fundamental rights for every citizen, freedom of speech, equality before the law, and the right to education. We must strive for a just society.
This constitution will be a voice of people, a symbol of unity and strength of our diverse country. We will weave our aspirations into every word.
Let us remember the sacrifices, those who fought for our freedom. The Constitution is the gift to our nation. The gift there will be protect the future of every Indian. On November 26, 1949, after 2 years, 11 months and 17 days of hard work, the Constitution of India was adopted. It was not just a legal document, but a reflection of India's dreams, struggle and values. Now, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar will recite the preamble.
We, the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
On January 26, 1950, the Constitution came into force, making India a republic. The principles of democracy, justice, and equality were enshrined, and a new chapter in India's history began.
Scene 3. In a classroom, two students are sitting on a bench holding a history textbook. One student looks thoughtful while flipping through the book.
I just finished reading about how the Indian Constitution was made. Can you believe? It took almost 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days, and so much effort by our great leaders to create it.
Yeah, it's great. They work tirelessly to ensure every India has right and freedom.
Absolutely. If they could dream of a better India,